Hey guys, in this video I'll show you the 5 packaging tricks to make you more sales and also to increase your customers' loyalty. So if you are fulfilling your items from the agent or from your supplier, or you already have the warehouse, then you can simply put an extra item with the packaging, right, that on one side can help you to increase your sales, and on the other side can help you to increase your customers' loyalty. So in this video I want to show you the 5 ways you can do that, and I'll give you examples. I'll give you specific things that you can do, right? So pretty much once you acquire the customer, right, there is no extra like cost of acquisition, right? So you got a customer and you're shipping them the package, so pretty much anything that you put in that package, in that shipment for them, is pretty much for free. So the cost for acquisition, whatever sales you can acquire out of it or whatever loyalty you can acquire out of it, it's like completely bonus. So the cost to do that might be very inexpensive, but at the same time the benefits and the extra sales you generate could be quite significant. So why these packaging inserts, that's how they called, are so useful? So basically they're low cost, right? You don't have to just invest a lot into putting that kind of like extra item or extra thing into the package, right? Customer already bought the product, already paid for the packaging itself. Now the another factor is those are good for cross-selling. So for example, you already know like what your customer has bought, so what you can do is simply upsell them items that are relevant to those like main items that they have just purchased, right? And also the right inserts, they increase loyalty. So once customer receives something from you like a free gift, they're more likely to to appreciate you and also to buy from you again, because they see how you treat your customers. They see this kind of like relationship, and it makes them feel special. So oftentimes it's those inserts, they might be very simple, so you can just drop a flyer with like 20% off for the next purchase, how most people do it. But at the same time, there are many options that you can deliver even more value and at the same time to generate even more extra sales. So 5 types of these inserts, packaging inserts, that you can consider. So one is discount offer. Obviously this is like the simplest one. As you can see, here's an example from the She brand. So they offer like 20% off for the next purchase. They give you kind of the breakdown and give you some more like information about their other products, right? But here are some more ideas. So for example, free shipping or your next order, $10 credit towards your next order, 25% off your next order, free gifts with your next order, free upgrade or your next order. So these are just some of the ideas you can implement pretty much like immediately, right? Let's say you're making 100 sales a day. Let's say you generate like 5% more. For like 5% of people actually respond and buy from you again. That's huge. That's huge kind of like increase, because the cost of acquisition, there's pretty much none, right? And at the same time, the benefit and the upside is very significant. So it definitely pays and definitely is worthwhile for you to implement this strategy. Product samples. So these product samples could be great as well to acquire customers, and also just to let them try your other products that you can also sell them in the future. To just give them some kind of like a free trial, or give them a taste of what that product could be. So a lot of the times it's used in like perfumes. They give you like free samples, or creams, they give you free samples. But it also can be in other industries, like for example supplements, right? So for example here you can see this company, Bryanzyme. It's UK based store. They give you this free samples with your purchase. So you buy your main items and then you get these for free, so you can try it out and see maybe you'll like them and you'll buy them as well. So small gifts, right? So much like samples, those small gifts, they might surprise your customers and make them feel special, which in return will help them to be more loyal to your brand and also to buy products from you in the future, right? So when they think about whether, for example, if you sell, let's say, like some cosmetics, so next time the customer thinks about cosmetics, they might think about your brand because they had a good experience with you. You give them some free small gifts. So that's definitely, that they will consider. So Galen Leather, so this company sells handcrafted leather goods made in Turkey. And so this brand, they share free gifts from Turkey to round the brand experience and give the nod to the product origin. So you can see here, that's what they do. You can see they provide these, free gifts here, right? Some kind of like coffee and stuff, right? And they have this note here. So this is kind of a free gift for you. So, I mean, this is very inexpensive to do, right? Those things, they cost a few cents, but then again, even if small percentage of those people will buy from you again, it just pays for itself many times over. So great ROI and great like brand perception and great brand awareness trick. So thank you cards and personal notes. I mean, obviously that's a bit more difficult. Like for example, if you wanted to handwrite every note, then so this one specifically is from Trunk Club. This is premium menswear service. So they have these handwritten notes from personal stylists explaining their selection of products with all orders. So this is something that you can do as well. Obviously, this is not as scalable. Now, product review or share on social request, right? So this one here, this company here, Frank Buddy, they ask customers to share their experience on social media. This is another like free leveraging experience. So if they share their experience with their friends, and I don't know, like typical person on Facebook has, let's say 1,000 friends or so, probably even more. So you can imagine kind of like the perceived like brand awareness of that person that kind of like share their experience, and their friends ask that basically trust that person. So it's kind of like gives you that virality and gives you that basically free public appearance and public opinion, right? So this is very efficient, and again, just cost you to print this flyer. It's pretty much, so this costs you like very inexpensively, just costs you a few cents to print this kind of like flyer and put it into the box. So guys, these packaging inserts, they're about providing more value by exceeding expectations, by giving something to your customers that they did not expect. And with all of your kind of like direct response marketing efforts, like these little things on the back end of your business, that would help you to generate more sales, more brand loyalty, and help you to grow a brand that's sustainable long term. So thank you for watching, guys. By the way, if you're looking for help scaling your e-commerce business, Facebook advertising, dropshipping business, there is a link below in the description. Just fill out the form and schedule a call with me and my team, where we'll see if we can help you to scale your business to the next level. Subscribe to this channel. If you're looking for this template that I have here and all of these examples, just comment templates below this video and I'll share them with you. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.